Alright y'all, today I'm going to make a simple little piece of decor for my porch. I got this little watering spout from Dollartree. It was $1.25. I got this little dish. It's like a little bowl from Dollar Tree, $1.25. I got these two bags of stones for $1.25 each, and then I got some fake eucalyptus. And what I'm going to do first is get all the little stickers off. I'm going to glue the bottom of this to this, just like that. I put glue all over the bottom, and I'm just gonna set this onto there just like this. Just let it sit for about a minute before I continue. So after that, I'm gonna put a little glue in the bottom of the bowl. It doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't necessarily even have to glue all of the rocks, the pebbles, or the stones, whatever you wanna call them. Just to have some in there so that some of them stay put. Let's see how I put that in there, and I'll just start putting the pebbles. And now I'm just gonna add the eucalyptus inside of the pail. This is how they look, nice and pretty. I like this. This was a very inexpensive little thing here. And I'm gonna set it. I bought one of those little $5 tables from the Dollar Tree to set on my porch because it's really small and my porch is really small. I set it on there and let you guys see